Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Chini with another tutorial video. I am going to be giving you guys a tutorial video on how to make the short knotless braids, smaller short knotless braids. You know, it's usually plenty. And this is going to be stressful for me. But then I'm prepared. Mindset, maybe. Yes. Before we get into the tutorial video, I'll be making I'll be making a tutorial video on how to section your hair. I'll section my hair and get back to this video. I don't want to do it together with the video. I don't know if you guys understand what I'm saying. I don't even know if I'm talking crap. But then I know that I'm going to section my hair. That'll be a different video. So if you need the video, you can request for it and I'll send it to you guys. But for those that feel like they don't need that one, they just need to learn the braiding of the knotless braids, this is the video for it. So I'll section my hair and I'll get back to you guys for, you know, the main stuff, the main reason why we are here in this video in the first place. So I'll see you guys when I'm done. Peace. Wait though, please, before you go, subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and like and comment if you have anything to say. There is not like the by force, and you can share this video to your friends that you think might need it, because this video is helpful. Now don't just be honest with yourself, it's helpful. And this video is not just for girls, it's also guys, because guys also make hairs these days. They don't necessarily need to do it on themselves, they need to do it on their friends, on their babes, on your babes, or your siblings, your sisters, your aunties. You guys should learn this. Whenever I post video telling me I'm a guy, it's a girl stuff. It's not just a girl stuff, it's for guys and girls. You can learn to do it on your hair. Guys make their hairs themselves. You can learn to do this on your own hair. You can learn to do it on your babe's hair. You can learn to do it on your sister. You can learn to do it on your mommy's hair. So what's the big deal? What's the big deal here? Please, this video is very important for all of you, including me. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the video when I'm done. I'm talking too much. Bye. I'm back and this is the way I section the hair. Hey, let me show you the back. I'll be using this, it looks kind of rough, yes, but I'll be using these lines to cut and make my knotless braids. So I made it like this so that it will be easier for me, so that when I want to start braiding, I'll just have to start you know, cutting them or sectioning them and then making. So I want to eat. I'm not eating this morning. I'll be back when I'm done. You can see my eyes. It's tired. I'll see you guys later. Peace.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time.
I'm just going to do a little talking here. In making knotless braids, start off braiding with your natural hair. You braid it like 2 or 3 times and then you start adding your attachment. Remember, when you're braiding your natural hair, you braid it tightly so that it doesn't look loose and not clean or not neat. So as you're braiding, you're adding attachments. The more you go, the more you increase the attachment, and you keep adding attachment till you get the particular length that you want. So that is it. You start off with braiding your natural hair, then you keep adding. You braid off your natural hair like 2 or 3 times, or sometimes 4. Then you keep adding you braid your natural hair 3 or 4 times, and then you keep adding your attachment till you get the perfect length that you want.
I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. goes, and ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. Back a year ago.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
Now I'm done with the braidings and this is what it looks like, but I haven't curled the end yet. I have to still make my curls at the end, but I just want to show you guys how it is because this was the main reason for the tutorial, to show you the braidings in the first place. Now I want you guys notice how neat the lines are and how neat and sectioned they are. Yeah, that's me, that's my work. So thank you all for watching. I'll show you guys the curls at the end of the video.
Going through hell, I fake like I'm fine, but I know you can't tell. Like nothing I found, my mind overwhelmed.